Hi everyone, this is Prakash Bhandari, a student currently enrolled in trimester 3 in Kent Institute, Australia. Today I'm going to be demonstrating what my lecturer taught in class on week 2. So, uh, I'm also going to be relating the same topic on my software development projects that I'm going to be doing on my later phase. So, let's go to the topic Agile methodologies. Um, Basically, Agile methodologies was developed to overcome the problems that came in traditional methodologies. What are the problems that came in traditional methodologies? Let's guess. So, all the requirements were already analyzed and made before developing a certain projects in traditional methodologies. So, if a customer wanted to change the same project, he couldn't be able to do that same thing because there was no any interaction with the customer or the developer, due to which the sharing between the customer and the developer couldn't be managed out. To solve this main problem, the Agile methodology was developed. Agile methodologies has a lot of advantages over traditional methodologies. And going to Agile methodologies, what is Agile methodology? That might be coming to your mind. So Agile methodology basically is dividing a large sum of project into smaller chunks, also known as sprints. So the sprints is taken one by one after another. So as Agile methodology also follows SDLC model, which is known as software development life cycle model, and it consists of 7 stages, which is planning, analysis, design. After that we're gonna move to development. After that we're gonna test the software, then deploy the software and maintain it afterwards. So this all steps are followed by Agile methodologies, which is basically based upon SDLC model. So what does Agile provide to the customer? So Agile basically provides a lot of features to the customer: quality software, real-time software, and then a lot of other advantages is covered by Agile methodology. So Agile methodology has time to time customer interaction, due to which the idea of the customer is taken by the developer, which also helps to build a quality software by a developer. So there is non-formal communication between a developer and a customer, due to which there is a built relation, um, and user can easily share, or the customer can easily share their ideas with the developer. This helps to build the software in very efficient way. And the relation between customer and developer also builds stronger, due to which the software can be made a bit drastically good in structure. So Agile also consists of various types. First we're going to go to extreme programming. Extreme programming is a peer programming, so there are two programmers working at the same time. Going on to next, it's crystal programming. Crystal programming is divided into crystal orange and crystal clear and crystal orange web. So it depends upon the project criticality, and then the number of workers or the programmers required, or the amount of project that is. And moving on to next, there's Scrum, which is a widely used Agile methodology currently. Moving on to next, there's RUP. So RUP is a bit low flexible Agile. And this was all about Agile that we learned in the class. I'm gonna head how this is connected to my software development lifecycle project. So all of these Agile methodologies can be used for me in the future for software development projects, as Agile helps me to get interacted with the customer, and as I'll be the developer. So like absolutely, if I'm the developer and my customer comes to me and gives me constantly feedback on the criteria, the requirements, whatever he asks for, I can easily develop as per his need. He can change his mind, desires, like requirements, and I can easily get contact with him. I can change his time to time, as I'll be having time to time conversations, engagement, and the project is going to be on time, as I'll be with all of my developer friends or groups, whatever they are. And Agile is most popular as it is flexible and the customer satisfaction is also increased. This was all, and to conclude, the Agile methodology is way better than the traditional methodology, and we can go for Scrum. Have a good day. Thank you.